January 21, 2019. First real snowfall this year, really. Those are the foster dogs. It's a hell of a snowstorm. Eating snow. What are you doing? It is really coming down. It's a real storm. It's January 21. Utah used to get storms like this mid-November when I first moved here years ago. Now they don't show up till a lot later. Who knows what it is? That's Blue. That's Burke, that's Covey, that's Sadie, that's Flanders, and the other German Shepherd is Mandy. I think that's the dog's name. A little too many dogs right now, but it's better here than dead. Shelters kill them. They don't save them, they kill them. They just get a paycheck whether they get killed or not, so no incentive. So if you want to be a cheap bastard and breed dogs and sell them and you don't want to get your dog fixed, then you should be okay with letting them get killed in shelters. But if you're a real man or a real woman, you go out and get your animal fixed. You spend money and you take care of them and you don't abandon them. This is a wonderful dog. Owners in New Mexico abandoned him at 6 years old. He's very sad about that. She's coming around. It's a wonderful dog. Just my thinking. If you abandon a dog like that, at the end of your life, you're going to get abandoned. You're going to be in some rest home. Nobody's going to give a flying fuck about you. You're just going to rot away in a state nursing home and get punched and kicked. And that's your reward for abandoning them. It doesn't take me anything to foster these guys. Doesn't cost a lot. Anyway, the two German Shepherds and the mix dog, I'm not sure what he is. They're all available for adoption. They just love snow. I don't think they really understand what it is. This one almost blends in with the snow background. Yeah, I truthfully love animals and I hate people. I just can't stand being around people. They're just bad news every time. Every time. People chase money and bullshit. Animals, all they got to offer is friendship and love. Well, gang, I'll catch you on the next YouTube.